Hello guys, this is ethanphillips and I'm going to be doing another Minecraft video, but it's part 2 of the one I already did. So I'm going to be going back onto the same world and finishing my roller coaster, and we'll see how it works. I got to add a lot of power rails for it to work. And yeah. So, if this will load, we can get right into it. Alright, I think it has loaded. Oh, nope. Dun 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 dun. Alright, if anyone can guess what music this is from, put in the comments what it is, and I will give you a shout out. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, if anyone figures out what that is from, I will give you a shout out. Shout out. There we go. Ugh. There we go. Floating squids? No. Oh no. Oh. Alright. Oh. Alright, so I'm just gonna be making a new world. Okay, I'm opening up a new world. Oh, it's laggy. I wonder where the bonus chest is, because I did turn it on. Oh, I see it. Come on. Alright. I want to, like, an axe. I'm gonna start cutting down trees. You're probably saying, what are you doing? I already got wood. But no, I need more wood if I'm gonna build a house. We are at the 5-minute mark. Alright, let's see if we can find a village. Because I really need it. Oh, right. Wait, do I have a map? No, I don't have a map. I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map. I'm the dap, I'm the dap, I'm the dap, I'm the dap, I'm the dap. I'm just in a forest. I need to find a village. Veloso. Shit. Come on. Oh, I'm losing hunger. Ah! Shit. Fucking hell. Oh, I see a cow. If any of you watch, SML, Junior making fun of, oh shit, making fun of Cody. Hey, I found your mom. It's a cow. I'm walking on nothing. Sway. I'm walking on holy shit. I know where a cave is now. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm right under a ravine. Ooh. Oh no. Oh, shit. Slaggy as flip. Laggy as a flip. God, don't fuck. Whoa! That's really cool. Come on. I want to jump. There we go. Yay. Where are all the... Oh. Oh no. Ooh, I'm in the spooky world. Come on. I can't believe this. Where are the villages? I got it turned on. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. A pack of wolves. I don't have any bones. Ah! I'm tripping balls. Oh. Hey, I found a pumpkin. Oh, I found another one. Oh, gross, some seeds. Ugh. Oh, Ugh. Mother trucker. Bitch. Alright. I'm just gonna make my civilization here on this terrain. Some coal over there. Pumpkins. More coal. Water, squids. Sugarcane. More sugarcane, more coal, more mossy cobblestone. More mossy cobblestone, more mossy cobblestone. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make my house here. I need to make a crafting table. We're on the 12-minute mark. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here, because I'm getting actually pretty tired. So this is the end of this video. I will thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all later. Bye!